All right, so we now have the ability for products coming in from the DecoNetwork catalogs. They now have the ability to change which brand they're assigned to. So let's jump in and take a look. This is going to be in the admin products section. Let's go ahead and manage one of these Fruit of the Loom products that I've got at the top of my list. And so previously this brand section was just text, right? You could see which brand the item was assigned to, but there was no option to change it to any other brand. And again, this improvement came from user feedback. We have some users who, rather than create products from scratch, they copy an existing product from the DecoNetwork catalog and reuse it for their own purpose, right? And that may be to kind of use it as a jumping off point for a product from a different brand. But the issue with that was that you can actually change what the listed brand was. And this wasn't such an issue some time ago, but with the new product filter widget, for example, where you can filter by brand and you can display the brand image and the brand name, the brand now has the option to kind of come to the forefront. And so, yeah, we've been getting requests for the ability to change the brand on catalog products, and you now have access to do so. All right, so that should help those people out who are, again, copying catalog products and repurposing them for their own items.